Our goals for the stadium from a fan experience standpoint, being that it's open air, we need to make sure the acoustics and the sound quality is world-class like the venue. One of the ways we achieve that was finding a great partner like Strategic that can meet our audio and visual needs for the venue.
Strategic has been great to work with. They have great communication and commitment to their clients. The work they have performed was high quality and completed on time. They made sure we had the proper technologies installed, even if the spec was inaccurate. They went out of their way to help ensure we were happy with the solutions they provided.
We use Danley for the PA speakers, VTech for the IPTV and digital signage, and NEC for the displays. Strategic Communications provided a dedicated project manager for this entire project. When we were first given the requirements for the displays, and we had a choice of who to use, we went with NEC. Their high quality, their overall performance of visual is excellent, and they come with a 3-year warranty. We put NEC displays all throughout this complex. I mean, everywhere you go, you're going to see a display with multiple types of content, whether it's cable TV, signage, very informative for the fans, and it can be customized to wherever you go.
The VTech Easy TV digital signage solution was the perfect fit for our stadium. This product was brought to the table by Strategic, and they worked with the manufacturer VTech to meet financial constraints. This allowed us to have a digital signage kit that was user-friendly and packed with the features we needed.
Wherever we have the displays, using the VTech solution, we can customize the content wherever you are in the stadium, whether it's the concessions, team stores, suites, or concourse. LouCity wanted to have the capability of broadcasting their games over national TV. We installed SMPTE cables, which is a hybrid fiber and copper cable. We did single mode fiber throughout the facility for camera locations and big broadcast truck hookup connections.
Whether it's a video being played on the video board, the PA announcer, a live DJ, or a light show and goal celebration, our goal is that we pump a lot of energy and great sound quality into the venue. We were blown away by the service and the quality that we got working with Strategic Communications on this project and our other projects since building the stadium. We want to make sure we keep the dialogue open and the relationship strong with Strategic Communications as our venues evolve, technology evolves, and we're creating and maintaining a world-class experience for fans.